jonesing for some pizza. Hey, hurry up! I'm hungry down here. Lizzie, I need your advice. I'm starving.
Have you tried eating?
I'm still kinda hungry. I wish I had my chili dog.
I think it's gone for good, buddy. Not much we can do about that.
Uh-oh, guys! My tummy feels weird. I think the chili chips are working.
Right on schedule.
Uh-oh. He's gonna blow!
Take cover! Oh, sorry, Courtney. There's only 3 things that give me gas. Chili, cheese, and chips. These are chili cheese chips. It's the Bermuda Triangle of farts.